Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Tectonic Electric, your go-to place for the latest tech reviews and deep dives into the world of hardware today. We're taking a closer look at a solid budget motherboard that punches above its weight. The ASRock A320M-HDV This micro ATX board is packed with features and is compatible with a wide range of AMD Ryzen processors, including the latest Ryzen 5 5600 and 5700 Pro. So, let's see what makes this board a fantastic option for budget builders and gamers. So let's break down the ASRock A320M/AC motherboard, at its core. This board uses the AMD A320 chipset and supports a range of Ryzen processors, from the Ryzen 5 5600 to the Athlon 220GE. Yes, it's the A320M/AC comes with a micro ATX form factor, making it a compact choice for smaller builds, while still offering a full set of essential features. It supports up to 32 GB of DDR4 memory, so you can easily run dual-channel setups for improved performance. Whether you're looking to game, stream, or get into content creation, this board has you covered. One of the standout features of this motherboard is its extensive CPU compatibility. It's designed for AMD's AM4 socket, meaning it supports a wide range of processors, including the Ryzen 3, Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7, and even the Pro series, This means you can pair it with powerful chips like the Ryzen 5 5600 or Ryzen 7 5700 Pro for impressive multitasking and gaming performance. Now, let's talk about expansion and connectivity. Despite its small size, this motherboard offers great expandability, It features an M.2 slot for ultra-fast NVMe SSDs, which is perfect for those who want to speed up their boot times and load applications quicker. As I mentioned earlier, the A320M/AC supports up to 32 GB of DDR4 memory across 2 DIMM slots, You can run RAM at speeds up to 3200 MHz OC, so you'll have no problem handling demanding tasks, whether it's gaming, video editing, or streaming. Combine that with the support for high-core Ryzen CPUs, and you've got a motherboard that can handle some serious multitasking and performance without breaking the bank. Overall, the ASRock A320M/AC is a great motherboard for budget-conscious builders or anyone looking to upgrade their PC without spending too much, with its support for a wide range of AMD processors, built-in Wi-Fi, M.2 storage, and solid RAM compatibility. It's hard to go wrong with this board. If you're looking for good, the ASRock A320M/AC could be the perfect foundation for your next rig. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want more tech content, don't forget to subscribe to, Drop your thoughts or any questions in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next one.